Today I'm going to show you this bird's eye chilies. These bird's eye chilies are very tiny compared to the regular chili. I got two specimens here to show the size comparison. And according to Ayurvedic physicians, this entire Solanum family is not recommended for regular use. And as you may be aware, these chilies come in the Solanum family. And they are known to aggravate the whole digestive tract and cause irritable bowel and increase this tendency towards ulcer and burning and inflammatory. Generally, this chili is a very inflammatory substance. However, this bird's eye chili is an exception. When the whole digestive system becomes too sluggish, and there's constipation and bloating and all, some spice will be needed to get things moving. And in such circumstance, either this bird's eye chili can be a good option. It doesn't cause that kind of severe burning sensation like these regular chilies, though it's very spicy on the palate when you in the mouth when you eat it. It's supposed to be cooling in the stomach. That is, it doesn't cause further aggravation in the stomach itself, as long as the quantity is low, say 1 or 2 chilies. People with very sensitive stomachs can go ahead and have once or twice a week. And it reduces this gas and sluggish bowel movement and on that. And also it's supposed to be good for the intestinal flora. That is, it destroys the bad bacteria in the intestines and all, promotes the healthy ones. So people who have trouble in the digestive system but nevertheless need a little spice periodically can go for this bird's eye chili. It's relished by crows, peacocks, and a lot of birds come to eat this, and it usually propagates naturally in the shaded areas in places like arecanut plantation and nice moist gardens where there's a good topsoil. It comes on its own, spread by the birds.